Welcome back. Glad that you're here. In this tutorial, we will add light theme to movie app. Whenever user toggles between light and dark theme, we will persist the theme preference. So, when the user restarts the application, their last preferred theme will be active. We will also add guest login feature on login page, which will enable users without TMDB ID to enter in the application. And at last, we will fix logout error issue which is introduced when we migrated to Flutter 2. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it for more such educative tutorials, share it with your friends and hit the like button. So let's get started. This video is sponsored by App Circle. Build your apps, distribute it to testers and upload it to app stores, all automatically with quick and easy setup. You can find 1 month free coupon code and link in the description box. Theme Cubit. We will save user selected theme in the Hive database like language. For that, let's create a similar Cubit. I assume you know how to create use case, repository methods and local data source calls. Theme is similar to language preference, so you can check out the GitHub repo. First, define the two themes that you will support in the app. We support dark and light theme. The Cubit returns the themes as its state. Then we will have two use cases. Get preferred theme to fetch theme from DB and update theme to save the theme in the DB. Then create a method that toggles the theme and loads the preferred theme. Create a method to load preferred theme, which will be called when user lands on the app for the first time. This will default to dark theme. Now let's listen to the changes. It's required to update the app theme whenever user switches. So we will listen for theme Cubit state changes as first child in the movie app.dart. Don't forget to load the preferred theme in initState method. We will also provide the theme Cubit like language Cubit in the multi-block provider. Let's toggle the theme. So add an option in navigation drawer to toggle the theme. Listen for the theme changes. Add an icon button and toggle the theme when icon is pressed. Based on dark or light theme, define the icon and the color. Now when you run this and tap on the icon, you will see changes in the color of the icon. By the way, if you find this tutorial too fast, check the tutorial on the website www.techieblossom.dev. Let's introduce light theme into our application. From episode 1, we have considered only dark theme for this app. So now we will introduce light theme variant for this. Most of our theme can be toggled with theme data. So let's enhance that and talk about significance of each property of theme data one by one. First, the scaffold background color. Based on theme, you will change the scaffold background color in the theme data. This will change the background of all our screens like home screen, movie details screen, favorite screen, search screen, trailer screen and login screen. Add brightness as well to dark or light based on current theme. This will apply some default theme changes to the whole app. Run the app after this change and you will be amazed. Let's talk about text theme. Let's create a new set of text styles to support light theme. Use copy with and only change the colors wherever appropriate. We create Vulkan colored versions of all the white colored text styles. Then we create a new light text theme with these text styles. We keep the button style as it is because we have gradient colored button that will be same in dark and light modes. Before running, let's switch text theme based on current theme. After these changes, run the app. This time almost all our text are fixed with proper colors. Next is the primary and the accent color by using Vulkan for the dark and white for the light theme. Coming to the card theme. In movie details screen, we have cards of cast. Let's define a common theme to that in the theme data. For the card theme, we are going to give color white for the dark theme And for the light theme, we are going to give the color as Vulkan. The input decoration theme. We defined the input decoration theme for the fields in the login form, directly in the widget itself. Instead, we should have defined it in the theme data. If you look at the login screen now, you will understand what I mean. After most of the changes are done in the theme data, we are left with some small changes like logo color change to Vulkan at various places, for example like navigation drawer and movie app bar. You will fetch the state of the theme Cubit, you will compare it with theme.dark. If it is dark, you will take the color of logo as white, otherwise Vulkan. Similarly, apply this to all the icons that we have in movie app bar, movie detail app bar and search bar back icon. Now let's come to the second topic of this video today. We will add a guest sign-in button in the login form. On top of this, we will return success login from the Cubit without making any API call. You can clearly see we can log in into the app without even signing in. Now let's come to the third part of this video today, logout error. After null safety migration, we have got one issue in logging out, unhandled exception. Type null is not a subtype of type future or string in authentication local data source implementation class. So let's make the return type nullable this time. After this, you will get a compilation error in authentication repository IMPL class. For that, wrap the call with nullable check. If session ID is not equal to null, then only you will proceed with deleting the session from remote and local data source. Well, to summarize, you must have seen how easy it was to switch between themes because we followed some rules from episode 1. We used TextTheme religiously, which eventually solved 50% of our theming issues. With proper theme data defined, your app is all ready for switching themes in quick time. I believe you understood to apply theming in existing application. So share it with your friends, like the video, subscribe the channel and enable the bell notifications to never miss out on the new tutorials. This is it from this video. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.